My name is Shantanu. I am at the Alliance University campus today. And what a wonderful way to launch Razorpreneur Season 3. I was joined by my awesome friend and founder of Yoga Bar, Suhasini. Suhasini, what were your takeaways from today?
I think the next generation's gonna kill it.
But from an enthusiasm standpoint, I felt like the ability to grasp so many things and then to go out there in half an hour just sell stuff, really ask questions. The number of people who came up to both of us to ask about their ideas.
Everybody.
What do people ask you?
I think a lot of people are asking about their own business ideas, and I feel like everyone's quite curious.
Yeah.
And I think curiosity in general was very, very high, which
Correct.
to me shows intention to learn, which is a great place for a student to be.
So for me also, love that there was so much enthusiasm. There were already people who had one person already had a running business.
Yes.
The one person I want to start my own shirt brand. One person wanted to start his own rice brand. So very interesting, and I think kudos to you for building a business that also inspires other people to believe that purpose-driven entrepreneurship actually is meaningful and to take that step. So that was one amazing takeaway.